Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about one of my favorite things in the world, and that is nude lip glosses and lipsticks. So if you're interested to see my current favorites at the moment, then please keep watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And let's get started. I would say that I have a slight obsession with purchasing nude lipsticks and lip glosses. I think if you talk to any girl that loves makeup or loves like nude shades, it's like an obsession to always be on the hunt to find that perfect nude. But I feel like, I don't know if it exists. It's kind of like a unicorn, you know? Do they exist? You don't really know. I thought it would be fun to discuss with you guys some of my favorite nude lipsticks and lip glosses, and it was very hard to even narrow down because there's so many that I'm just like in love with. So to begin, I'm going to go over some of my favorite lipsticks, and I'm going to start out with some drugstore brands and then kind of gradually move into the higher end. I'm actually surprised I don't have as many lipsticks. Might need to go shopping. So to begin, I have this matte lipstick with Milani, and it is called Matte Innocence. This shade is beautiful. The packaging is super cute too. I love the gold and the nude together. That's just like ideal. What's cool about this brand too, which I've talked to you guys about in some of my other videos, is that it's just super affordable, which I love. But the consistency of this lipstick is amazing. It is very matte, but very velvety soft. So I'll swatch some of this for you guys. So with this shade, it is more on the pink side. With nude, there's so many ranges of nude. You could get some on the more warm scale that are more browns, some that have more pink tone to them. Me personally, I find I lean more towards the pink peachy shades. That's just what looks ideal on my skin. But I do love the more brown shades on like a darker complexion. Those look really, really good. This lipstick is amazing. It's very affordable, but it's also velvety soft, and I love how it makes my lips feel. I'll just pop some of this on and then put a lip gloss over the top, and it just looks phenomenal. But you can also wear it just by itself too, and it still looks fabulous. So this is a awesome shade if you're wanting a more kind of pink tone nude. This next one I actually found recently. I do love Revlon lipsticks. I've found that they have a really good formula, and I just find that I'm drawn to these. I did have a Revlon lipstick that was a nude that was my favorite, and it's literally down to the end. And I think they discontinued it, which is really sad because it's my all-time favorite nude lipstick. So I'm gonna be on the hunt for a new one. It does have a more peach tone to it, which I love in the summertime. And this is a matte lipstick as well. It is called Nude Attitude. This one is more on the lighter scale. And what I love about this shade though is that it is very light, but when you are tan, so you can barely see that. If you guys are on the hunt for really good drugstore lipsticks, I really do love Revlon, and they have so many ranges of shades, which I love that too. These two lipsticks are from a brand I've spoken about before called Dose of Colors. Look at the packaging on these lipsticks. They are to die for. The matte nude shade, and then it has this beautiful like rose gold labeling, which is so pretty. This is the DesixKaty collection with Dose of Colors. They came out with two nude lipsticks. So with these two nudes, they did one for kind of leaning more towards a warmer complexion, and then one for kind of a more versatile. So this one, called More Creamer Please, is more on the brown scale. So you can already see it's pretty dark, but it looks beautiful on the lips. The formula is extremely creamy and very pigmented, which is awesome. This is really beautiful if you do like the top, like a more lighter lip gloss over the top and then blot it out. It looks so pretty. The next one that they released was called No Shade. This one is more pink toned. It's right here. It is beautiful on any tone of skin, you guys. It's so pretty. I'm wearing it today. And I did top a lip gloss over the top, but this lipstick is beautiful. It's lasted all day. I've drank coffee, eaten lunch. I mean, you name it. This lipstick stays for quite some time. All right, this next one is by Too Faced, and I love the name of this one. It is called Nude Beach. This one is gorgeous. I need to wear it more often. This one is more on the glossy side. So it is not a matte. It's right here. It is lighter. It is not a matte lipstick. It is more on that shimmery side. So when you put it on, it looks very wet, which it's beautiful on the lips. So you don't even need a lip gloss with this one, which I love. You can put it on by itself, and it's very soft, not sticky, and just a really good formula. I actually am super impressed with Too Faced, their lipstick. I would actually probably purchase some other ones from them. I just never think to go for their lipsticks, but it's definitely on my radar now, and I'm going to be looking into that further. All right, this next and last lipstick I have today, I know, shocker, I could have more, but I tried to tone it back for you guys today. And this is called Pretty Social by Smashbox, and this lipstick is one of my favorites. It is probably the ultimate nude for me because it is more of a pink. So right here you can see that swatch. It's so beautiful, you guys. One of my favorite lipsticks. I almost want to put it on over this. Like, I would put it on right now, but I can't mess up this lipstick, and I don't have a wipe. Go figure. But it is a beautiful pink nude shade. The formula is not matte, it's creamy. It's got a little bit of gloss to it, so I would say it is more kind of a satin formula. So a while back, Kim Kardashian and Kylie Jenner did a collab with her makeup brand for nude lipsticks, and when I saw that, I was like, buying. Yeah, I know some people hate the Kardashians, but let's be honest, they know their shit, right? They know their shit about beauty. And let's be honest, anything that says nude and is in the makeup industry, I'm purchasing it. So I purchased that line quite a few months ago, and it was 4. So I wanted to show you guys my favorites of the 4. My ultimate favorite is the Kimberly, and this is honestly, I feel like, kind of a true nude. I'm running out of space here. This is true nude to me. That perfect brownish pink is like the perfect mixture of nude for me. The formula of these lip glosses are Creme, so they're very velvety soft, which is really cool too. This next one is called Kim, and this one is more on the peach side. So I would say in the summer, this is a beautiful shade. So pretty. She definitely knew what she was doing when she made these. And then my next and last favorite is called Kiki. And then this one is going to be more on the rose side. So right here you can see. So these lip glosses are beautiful. The consistency is, again, that creamy, really velvety soft formula, which is really pretty on the lips. It doesn't stay too long, so you do have to reapply throughout the day, but I think she did a great job on these shades. But yeah, she did have another color that was beautiful as well. I was a fan of these. I think they're just good to have in your collection, so you kind of have that nice range of shades. Next up, this is a very light nude, and it is the liquid lipstick by Anastasia of Beverly Hills. This color is called Milkshake, and it legit looks like a milkshake on your lips. It is very light, ladies. So if you are darker complexion, this is probably not going to be for you. I don't know, it could be, but it is very light. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is a beautiful shade. I like to kind of dot this on the lips and dab it with my finger to just like lighten up a lip if it's like maybe too dark for me and I just want that pop of brightness like in the center of my lower lip, which I can show you guys how I do that right now actually. So I'll take this shade and just dab it because it is very pigmented. So I dab it and then I take my finger and blend it out. And it is a matte, like a more matte formula, so it dries down very dry. And again, a little goes a long way. So I like to, top a little gloss over that because otherwise it looks a little chalky. So I'll take like a nude lip gloss and just cover it. And there you have it. See, it is lighter but beautiful. And again, if you are more darker complexion, you might not like this, but I love the formula of her liquid lipsticks and her lip glosses. And this is just a very pretty, unique shade. I'm a little bit obsessed with it. All right, so this is actually a topper lip gloss that I use a lot over my nude lipsticks. This is by NYX and it is the Glam Lip Gloss Aqua Luxe. This is in the shade VIP and it's this very pretty nude lip gloss with specks of gold in it, but very fine. So it's not like super chunky and it's very high shine, which I love, but has that hint of color. So I use this a ton. I don't even know if they still sell it because I've had it for so long, but as you can see right here, it's very glossy, very bright, and it just is a really good formula. Just not sticky, perfect over any sort of nude color. It's just perfection. To kind of go along with those kind of topper lip glosses, this next one is by Fenty Beauty. It is the Gloss Bomb. You guys, this lip gloss is the shit, okay? I purchased this when it first came out and I was just blown away. It literally makes your lips look so wet, so pretty. I mean, you put this on over any sort of like nude pink, mauve shade and it just makes the lips just bam. They look massive. It has this awesome, massive kind of doe foot applicator. So it just glides on really well. It's easy to apply. It has this really fruity kind of, I want to say like strawberry smell, which is awesome. But the purpose of this lip gloss, she wanted it to be universal. So she wanted it to be the perfect lip gloss for anybody, for any skin tone. And I think she nailed it with this lip gloss. Like if there was one product that I could suggest to you guys to buy out of all of these that I mentioned today, this would be the one. I think you guys would be super happy. And there's quite a bit of product in here. It's just really good. I think you guys would enjoy it. Check it out. Go check it out on Sephora. All right, this next lip gloss is by NYX and it is the Butter Gloss. NYX has amazing, amazing lip glosses, you guys. And they're really affordable too, which I love. This one's called Creme Brulee and it almost reminds me of the Kim Kardashian and Kylie Jenner shades. It is more of that brownish nude and it just again has a beautiful formula. You can see it here. It is just so pretty, very glossy on the lips, really legit feels like butter, and I love it. I love this lip gloss. So, all right, lastly, I have this lip gloss by DLS. I can't remember the abbreviation for that, but I will find out and link it below. But this one I got in an Ipsy bag. It is the shade Nude Beach. So this one is beautiful. It has a really good consistency. It's very glossy, but not sticky, which I love. And it isn't super pigmented, so it's just a good one that is like a topper that you can put over any nude lip gloss and it's more sheer. So this is the shade right here. As you can see, it's very sheer, but has kind of that high gloss effect, which I love. And I was super surprised actually when I got this, because obviously you get a nude lip gloss in your Ipsy bag and you're like, hallelujah. But I was super impressed with this. I just love the shade. It has very fine specks of shimmer in it, which I love that as well. So this is a really good product. And again, I will link below the name of the company because I can't quite remember. All right, guys, and then to finish up, I wanted to share with you guys one of my favorite lip pencils that I use with my nude lip looks, and it is the Cork Lip Pencil by MAC. This is just a really good one that I use to line my lips, and then I can pair it, honestly, with any lip gloss. As you can see, it's just a very good nude brown shade, and it looks beautiful with any nude shade. You guys need to try it out. There are some other ones with MAC that are pretty good, but this one just is my all-time favorite, so I thought I would share it with you guys. All right, there you have it. That is my current favorite nude lipsticks and lip glosses. I need to go wash all of this off, and then I have places to be, people. So I love you guys a ton. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And I love you guys. I hope you had a marvelous week. I will see you guys next week. Love you.